In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of Binance, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with cryptocurrency trading, this guide will help you explore the platform efficiently and effectively. So, let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and go to the Binance website. If you're new, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage, where you'll find various options to explore the diverse functionalities Binance offers. Once on the homepage, let's move on to the next step. Next, find and click on the Markets tab. This tab serves as your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here, you can view all the available trading pairs and get an overview of market performances. Spend some time browsing through the different pairs to identify your areas of interest, especially if you're strategizing your next move or simply observing market trends. Once you have navigated to the market section, select any coin that interests you. For this demonstration, we're choosing BTCC/USDT. Clicking on this pair will take you to a dedicated page that provides a comprehensive analysis of the selected pair. This page includes price charts, order books, and other essential trading information that can assist you in making informed trading decisions. Now that you're on the coin's detailed page, notice the star icon at the top right corner. Click on this icon to add the coin to your favorites. This feature is particularly handy if you want to keep a close eye on specific coins without having to search for them every time you log in. By favoriting a coin, you create a shortcut for quick access in the future. After you've added a coin to your favorites, return to the market section. Once there, click on the Overview button. This will direct you to a summary page where you can view all your favorited coins and their current market performance. This makes it much easier to keep track of select coins without sifting through a vast array of options each time you visit Binance. And that wraps up our quick tour of navigating Binance markets. With these steps, you can start exploring different trading pairs, stay updated on market trends, and curate your list of favorite coins for follow-up. Binance offers tools and resources that can enhance your trading experience, so take some time to explore other features available on the platform that we didn't cover today. Remember, whether you're trading actively or just monitoring, understanding how to efficiently use Binance will serve you well in your cryptocurrency journey. Happy trading!